So in the year of cool and creative cameras, we have to add this one to the list. It's the Mology Magic Camera. It is tiny and compact and has two specific lenses. One is for vlogging and the other has night vision for surveillance. So there's a lot of features and a lot of cool accessories with this. So let me tell you all about it.
Mr. Black.
And by the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. Also, I love like this kind of new technology gear. This is awesome. If you like that kind of stuff and you're new here, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. And I'll put links to everything down in the description so you can find it easily down there, plus a surprise link. All right, so before we jump into the features and some test footage, let me tell you what you get in the box. All right, so in the box, you get the camera right here. And as you notice, it has just a really unique design to it. It has a magnetic back that you can take off right here. And then within that, you get a slot for a TF card. And it does come with a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. And there's also a USB-C port that you can charge this directly from that. You also get a really solid and really sturdy base. Like it just feels really bottom heavy, which is what you want. You can charge it from the back and you can set your camera in here and it will charge that, but also it rotates around. You can rotate it around with the app. It also comes with a lanyard, so you can put this around your neck and then you can pop this thing on there and you can get a really good POV shot. And you also get this little adhesive magnet so you can easily mount this camera on other surfaces. And it comes with the USB-C charging cable as well, and all the documentations on how to use this and how to set it up. So you download the app, you register it all, it'll kind of give you a guide on how to use it. And then within the app, you can preview your shots. You can start and stop recording. You can take photos, start a time lapse, and also enable the AI camera where it does pet recognition or human recognition. So in vlogging mode, you get a crisp 2.5K resolution. It actually has a really nice wide field of view, so I do like that a lot. But how do the microphones sound? And yeah, this is the quality you're gonna get. It also only weighs 85 grams, so you can easily get some really creative shots with this. It's so easy to hold up to and talk, and that's kind of the view you get from it. It's just not too bad. I like that. I also like that there's one button on the top, so you can just press it once and it starts recording. Yeah, and I love that magnetic mount on the back. It just makes it really convenient to just, put it anywhere. Like right now, it's just on this pole, this metal pole. You just find something metal and it just sticks right to it really hard. So that is all in vlog mode. And surveillance mode, where it has full color night vision, or you can have that classic night vision as well. It also has 2.5K resolution for like a security camera, so it's just great for an indoor camera. Surveillance, this is surveillance in low light. And it will also give you some alerts so that if somebody walks into the frame, it will let you know that someone's there. And then also has a speaker on here so that you can use the microphone on your phone to talk through this. So if someone goes into your room, you can be like, hey, what are you doing? And scare them away. So that's a lot of really cool features for a camera that comes in right now currently on Amazon around $153. And that's with a 10% coupon that you can get right this second, but make sure you check the link in the description for the most current price. And on this channel, I'm not trying to get you to go out and spend your money. I just want to show you the cool and creative gear that's out there and tell you what it does, show you how it looks, and then also let you know where you can get it if you are in the market for this. And I also think this could be a really fun gift for like an aspiring creator that wants to make some videos. And also, I just love this little design. I think it's a really cool and creative design. I love that it actually feels really nice in your hands too. So do check out that link in the description to find out any more information about it that you might need to know. But that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I have a lot more cool gear to share with you on this channel. So do stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Mr. Black.